What is going on, guys? George with another video, and right behind me we have the taco. So yes, this episode will be about the taco. We're going to be doing a quick install. As you can see right behind me, we do have a TRD Pro grill. You might be wondering, George, why are you putting a TRD Pro grill on your truck? You already have one. Yes, I do have one, but this one is actually from the homies at 4 Running Taco, the Twan brothers. What's up, guys? If you guys are watching this, and pretty much the reason why I'm going to be replacing my grill is because this one here has a couple of broken tabs. As you can see, when I shake it up, it's all loose, and when we hit trails, it rattles like crazy. So I figured, why not put a new one? Not only that, but for those of you guys that have kept up with my YouTube channel, you guys know that I recently posted a video about the Raptor lights from Running for Tacos. And honestly, I kind of messed up because I didn't realize that I did a giveaway, but a lot of people don't have TRD Pro grills. So I did talk to the guys and I'm like, dude, we should do another giveaway. And that's exactly what we're doing. I teamed up with not only Running for Tacos, but there's another awesome YouTuber by the name of Rob Motive. And we all linked up to give away some TRD Pro grills for those of you guys that not only want to rock the TRD Pro grill, but are also interested in purchasing those Raptor lights from Running for Tacos. To enter, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, subscribe to the dudes at Taco Twans, and obviously subscribe to the big Rob Motive. And do me a favor, comment down below once you do, and comment why you need this grill. And that's pretty much it. Let's get started and let's install this bad boy. All right, so after unboxing the grill from Taco Twans, you will get a couple of things. You will get 2 of these covers here. You'll also get your grill, and you will also get a little box that looks like this. And inside the box, you will get all the letters. You might be wondering, well, this is kind of weird. Usually they come all together. Well, due to shipping purposes, they do have to ship them in a box. And as you can see, you also get a baggie with double-sided tape. That way you're able to use the double-sided tape to go ahead and link up and place all the letters in place. When it comes down to quality, it's pretty dead on. The reason why I say this is because this one here is actually one of the best aftermarket TRD Pro grills out in the market. You can tell by the finish and by the attention to detail when it comes down to all the grooves on the grill that everything is pretty much to spec. Absolutely no imperfections. And the reason why I know this is because the TRD Pro grill that's on my truck right now is actually OEM. I paid $580, I believe. What trips me out is that I paid $500 and something for mine, and this one I believe is like 180 bucks, and the quality is just absolutely on point. So now that we talked about quality, and I completely agree that it is one of the best looking aftermarket grills, now we're gonna check fitment. I'm gonna be installing it on my truck just in case you are the winner. Then you can definitely watch this video and it'll give you an idea of how to install your grill. Now, for those of you guys that don't win and are still interested in purchasing this, I'll put the link down below and you guys can watch this video one more time and install it yourself. We are gonna be placing all the letters in place. As you can see here, we do have a little bag with some double-sided tape. Pretty easy. You're gonna figure out what letter is what just based on the shape. And wow, this guy is like wanting attention right now. Now we're gonna grab our letter, just put some pressure and place it down. Grab the T. So now we have this part here. This is for the sensor. For those of you guys that have the newer sensors, you guys will have something that looks something like this. And for the older models like mine, which is 2017 and lower, we have some like these. All you have to do is just go ahead and place this. And click it into place. And there you have it. Nice and secured. It's not going to go anywhere. Letters aren't going to fall off. Completely secured. Now we can go ahead and install it. To get access to the front portion of the grill, you will have to open up your hood. Once you do that, we're going to be locating 2 different tabs, which will be right here next to the headlight. One on the passenger side, which is right here, and 2 screws, which is this one and this one. So as you can see, it was that easy to remove the front portion of the grill. For me, it took a little more time, a little more pulling and moving around, just because I do have an aluminum bumper. But for those of you guys that have your stock bumpers, with a quick pull, it should come right off. Once you remove it, you will be left with your grill. And as you can see, you will also have a bezel. In my case, it is white because my truck is white. So depending on the color of your truck, you will have a bezel like this. Now we're gonna flip it around and I'm gonna show you guys all the tabs you guys have to remove to install the new grill. All right, so once you flip it over, it should look something like this. And it should also look this dirty because I'm sure you guys are actually taking out your trucks on trails and getting them dirty. But now we're gonna be locating a couple of tabs. As you can see, here's one of them, and they should be running all along the edge, just like this. Just like that is how you separate the grill from the bezel. Now that we have them side by side, I did notice a couple of things that are different. I'm gonna point them out just for you guys. As you can see, the color of the one that's provided by Running for Tacos does have more of a matte look to it. Their original one has more of a gloss to it, more of a satin color. But aside from that, they're both black. Now, when it comes down to the lettering, as you can see, the original one does have the indentations when it comes down to the letters, and as you can see right behind the letter, you do have that black grill. Now when it comes down to the Running for Taco, you do have the whole indentation, which is gray, and also the bottom portion of the grill, which is this bottom part, is also gray. But aside from that, those are the only two things that I noticed. Even the placement of the sensor is pretty dead on. All right, and here we have it, finished product. When it comes down to fitment, it was perfect fitment. Literally just put all the clips into place, everything just clicked. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have an SR5, TRD Off-Road, TRD Sport, you can definitely just follow these steps and you can get yourself a TRD Pro grill on your truck. Honestly, when it comes down to the looks of it, it makes a big difference. I personally think that whether you have a 4Runner, Tacoma, Tundra, I think the TRD Pro grill is one of the best looking TRD Pro grills, whether you go aftermarket, meaning this one, or whether you go with the original one. But when it comes down to this grill that I just installed, the quality is pretty good, and for 180 bucks, I think it's definitely worth it. But then again, like I said, it's really up to you guys. When I bought my grill, I paid full price, and that's because it wasn't as accessible as it is now. Obviously, now we have aftermarket ones, we have original ones that are selling on the market for a little cheaper. But it's really up to you guys. Like I said, this is just another option. You guys can save a little bit of money, and you can definitely invest the money that you saved on something else for your taco. And for those of you guys that are waiting for the giveaway portion of it, the steps are pretty easy. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Taco Twans, and subscribe to Rob Motive, and that will automatically enter you guys to win one of these grills. Last but not least, make sure you guys drop a comment down below and tell me why you want this grill. Honestly guys, I want to make this the biggest giveaway I've done on this channel. If you guys can share this video and we can get this video to 10,000 views in 5 days, I will give away a second grill. Yes, a second grill. So we're gonna have two winners. So let's get this video up to 10,000 views in 5 days. Like I said, share this video with all your friends, share it on Instagram, share it on Facebook, on all your social media. Let's make this thing blow up, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this install, and good luck to all you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.